Mima's going to show you how to make egg holes. I think they're called egg in a basket, but we've always called them egg holes. So here's what you're going to need. I have 2 pieces of bread, some butter, cheese, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and some cooking spray. I'm going to show you how to fix these 2 different ways. So you're also going to need an air fryer shelf, and go ahead and stick a piece of foil on that shelf. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to take some kitchen shears, and I'm just going to cut a hole in the middle of each one of these pieces of bread. Now you can use a cookie cutter if you want, but that's the way I like to do it, right there. Man, I love these kitchen shears. You can do everything with them. All right, there we go. And keep the cutouts. First thing we're going to do, we're going to melt the butter in our pan. You can use cooking spray. You don't have to use the butter if you're trying to watch that. I have my heat on medium high so that it won't get too hot too quick and burn. And I'm going to take my toast, rub it around in that butter so it'll get coated, and flip it over. Do the same thing. Now I'm going to take the hole that I cut out and do the same thing. Mop up some of that butter there. All right. I'm going to take one of my eggs and crack it right in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of salt and pepper. You can scramble that egg previously if you would like to, but I like mine over medium, so we're going to let it cook until it's just right. Mima's getting real crazy this morning. I'm going to put some garlic powder on there. Time to flip it. Let's flip the easy piece first. All right, here we go. Ha! Perfect flip. I went ahead and put it on the plate. Gonna put a little bit of cheese on there. I probably waited a little too long to put that cheese on there. You can lay a slice of it across there while it's in the pan if you like. That usually works good. Now we're going to do the air fryer version. I have experimented so much with the air fryer, I can pretty much make anything you want to make in one. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the spray and spray my toast. Go ahead and spray that too while we're thinking about it. Flip that over and spray that side. Now I'm going to take my egg and I'm going to crack it in the middle, just like we did before. I'm going to go ahead and season it. I have salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Woo, too much, that's all right. And I'm going to put it on the second shelf in my air fryer. I invested in one of those really nice air fryers that has the shelves. You can cook so much food in there. And then we're going to turn it on to 350 for 10 minutes. And there's how it looks out of the air fryer. I just love that crispy toast. And there we have the egg holes. This is the frying pan, and that's the air fryer. Which one do you like best? I like that one.